Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that seems innocent, but trust me, what you're about to learn will completely change the way you eat. Two of the most beloved foods of fall: pumpkin and cinnamon. Most people think of pumpkin as a cozy seasonal ingredient and cinnamon as a sweet little spice you toss on lattes. But what if I told you these two foods can dramatically improve your health? Or seriously damage it if you combine them the wrong way? In today's video, we're uncovering the hidden health powers of pumpkin, the shocking truth about cinnamon, the best combinations that amplify their benefits, and the dangerous pairings you absolutely need to avoid. Stick around until the end, because some of these bad combinations might be things you eat all the time without realizing the risks. All right, let's jump in. Part 1: Pumpkin, the golden superfood you've been overlooking. So let's start with pumpkin. It may look simple, but nutritionally, pumpkin is a monster. It's loaded with beta-carotene, minerals, fiber, antioxidants, and natural compounds that help the body function at its absolute best. But pumpkin's superpowers really shine in these three areas. A. Pumpkin helps prevent fatty liver disease. You've probably heard of fatty liver. It happens when triglycerides, yes, the same triglycerides from food, build up in the liver. And the scary part? It often develops silently for years without symptoms. But pumpkin is one of the strongest natural weapons against this. Pumpkin contains compounds that help break down triglycerides, reduce fat accumulation, and support detoxification. It also regulates blood sugar spikes, helping your liver stay clean and healthy. But there's more. Pumpkin's fiber binds harmful substances in the digestive tract and helps eliminate them, reducing the overall burden on your liver. In short, pumpkin is a liver's best friend. B. Pumpkin improves blood flow and protects blood vessels. Here's something most people don't know. Pumpkin contains a special compound called cucurbitacin, which helps strengthen blood vessels and improve circulation. Combined with its potassium and magnesium content, pumpkin helps relax blood vessels, lower blood pressure, reduce LDL cholesterol, prevent clot formation. If you care about heart health, this is your food. C. Pumpkin boosts immunity and reduces inflammation. Pumpkin is extremely rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, the nutrient that fuels your immune system. This helps your body fight off viruses, bacterial infections, chronic inflammation, and early signs of aging. Pumpkin is also packed with antioxidants that repair damaged cells and keep your immune system active and strong. So yeah, pumpkin is basically orange-colored medicine. But hold on, because even powerhouse foods like pumpkin can become harmful, depending on what you pair them with. Part 1. The worst pumpkin pairings. This is where things get surprising. You'd think pumpkin goes well with almost anything, but the wrong combination can actually overload your body, spike your blood sugar, or even increase the risk of fatty liver. Let's look at the worst offenders. A. Pumpkin sugar-heavy cinnamon drinks. Everyone loves a pumpkin cinnamon latte. But here's the ugly truth. Cinnamon is healthy, extremely healthy, but not when mixed with excessive sugar. When you add sugar-packed syrups or sweeteners, you're creating the perfect storm. Rapid blood sugar spikes, insulin overload, inflammation, increased triglycerides, stress on the liver. Even pumpkin's fiber can't protect you from that level of sugar. This combination is one of the silent contributors to seasonal weight gain, and many people don't connect the dots. B. Pumpkin high-fat creams or butters. Pumpkin soup with heavy cream sounds delicious, but the combination of saturated fat, high natural sugar from pumpkin creates digestive strain and raises triglycerides. This mixture makes pumpkin's liver benefits disappear, and in some cases, it actually worsens fatty liver. C. Pumpkin too much salt. Pumpkin is naturally rich in potassium. Salt sodium is its opposite. When you combine the two in excessive amounts, like in salty pumpkin stews, you disrupt your fluid balance, stress your kidneys, and increase blood pressure. Pumpkin should bring your blood pressure down, not up. Part 2. Cinnamon, the ancient medicine in your spice cabinet. Now let's talk about cinnamon. Cinnamon has been used as medicine for centuries, and modern science backs it up. Cinnamon contains polyphenols, antioxidants, and natural compounds that regulate blood sugar, fight inflammation, and even kill harmful bacteria. But here's where it gets exciting. Cinnamon can dramatically change how the body responds to sugar. It slows absorption, reduces insulin spikes, and improves metabolic function. That said, cinnamon has risks too, and some pairings make cinnamon dangerous. Before we cover that, here are cinnamon's superpowers. Cinnamon controls blood sugar and prevents crashes. Cinnamon slows the release of glucose into the bloodstream, meaning no rapid blood sugar spikes, no energy crashes, reduced cravings, improved insulin sensitivity. That's why cinnamon is so effective for people with prediabetes or unstable blood sugar levels. B. Cinnamon reduces inflammation and boosts immunity. Cinnamon contains cinnamaldehyde, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory effects. It fights bacterial infections, suppresses inflammation, supports immune cells, protects the lining of blood vessels. This makes cinnamon extremely helpful for heart health, digestion, and immune support. C. Cinnamon improves digestion and reduces bloating. Cinnamon warms the body from the inside. It boosts circulation in the gut, increases metabolic heat, and improves the breakdown of fats. This is why many people feel lighter and less bloated after cinnamon tea. But now we need to talk about the dangerous combinations. Part 2. The worst cinnamon pairings. This part may surprise you because many of these combinations are everywhere. A. Cinnamon excess sugar. Cinnamon is supposed to balance blood sugar, but when paired with huge amounts of sugar, like in cinnamon pastries or caramel lattes, cinnamon can't keep up. The result? Blood sugar overload, inflammation, accelerated aging, increased visceral fat, higher triglycerides. Cinnamon is powerful, but it's not magic. Sugar cancels out most of its benefits. B. Cinnamon soft drinks. Drinking cinnamon cola or mixing cinnamon with sugary beverages is extremely rough on the body. The carbonation and acidic environment interfere with cinnamon's absorption, and the sugar spikes are even worse. Combining the two stresses, your liver and triggers insulin spikes at record speed. C. Cinnamon blood thinners. This is a serious one. Cinnamon naturally thins the blood. If you're taking warfarin, aspirin, or other blood thinners, adding cinnamon can make your blood too thin. This increases the risk of internal bleeding or bruising. Always ask your doctor before consuming cinnamon regularly. If you're on medication, the golden pairings, pumpkin and cinnamon done right. Now for the best part, the food combinations that supercharge your health. A. Pumpkin cinnamon, yes, but the healthy way. Pumpkin and cinnamon are a legendary combination when prepared properly. Here's why. Pumpkin stabilizes blood sugar. Cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity. Both reduce inflammation. Both support heart health. Both boost immunity. The ideal version? Unsweetened pumpkin puree. A sprinkle of cinnamon. Optional nuts, seeds, Greek yogurt, or oats. This creates a nutrient powerhouse. B. Pumpkin oats cinnamon. This is one of the best breakfast combinations on earth. Oats provide soluble fiber. Pumpkin provides antioxidants. Cinnamon stabilizes blood sugar. The combination keeps you full for hours. Perfect for weight management, digestion, and energy. C. Pumpkin nuts cinnamon. This trio is excellent for blood vessels and heart health. Nuts add omega-3s, healthy fats, vitamin E. Pumpkin adds beta-carotene and fiber. Cinnamon improves circulation. Together, they create a perfect metabolic balance. Final tips: choosing and storing pumpkin and cinnamon. Pumpkin. Choose firm, deep-colored ones. Avoid soft spots. Refrigerate cut pumpkin. Cooked pumpkin lasts 2-3 days. Cinnamon. Buy Ceylon cinnamon for long-term use. Cassia cinnamon is strong, but should be eaten sparingly. Store in an airtight container, away from heat and light. Closing. And that's everything you need to know about pumpkin and cinnamon: the good, the bad, and the combinations that could completely transform your health. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and share this with someone who loves fall foods as much as you do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.